Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about one of my passions in life, which is having a really clear sense of purpose. I'm going to tell you why it's so beneficial to be really clear about what your own personal purpose is, what my personal purpose is, and then how it is that you can create your own one really easily. Have you ever been in that moment where you've wondered what you want to do next in life? Maybe you're applying for a new job, maybe you've got an option for 2 different jobs and you don't know which one you want to take, maybe you're thinking of founding a new business and you're not quite sure what direction to go in. Having a personal life purpose which you understand and have clearly articulated really help you at those big decision moments. It serves as a kind of North Star. It's not something that you can ever achieve, it's just something that you always aim towards. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about what my life purpose is, and then I'm going to explain in 3 very simple steps how you can create your own personal purpose. I'm going to share my purpose statement, and the point of me sharing this is just to give you an example of what a purpose statement might be. Yours is going to be completely different. It doesn't have to have any of these things in it. To honor and live in the present moment, to help people discover who they are, to help them grow as human beings, to grow to become all that I can be, to build positive, value-creating and successful organizations that facilitate myself and others in living well, to promote, encourage and facilitate the evolution of our species in every way and on every level I can as we make technological progress, to fill my days with wild adventure, balanced by equal levels of commitment and responsibility in everything that I do, and to fill my life with rich connections, deep friendships, love and inner peace. Whenever I read that back, I get a real sense of connection. It really feels like it's me, and it always leaves me feeling grounded and anchored after I've read it. So it's such a valuable thing, and it's helped me make so many life choices. Here's how you create your own, and it's just 3 very simple steps. So the first step is that you need to be alone and in a good place and in a good space. So take yourself away, go for a walk in nature, treat yourself to a weekend away, go to a beach somewhere and be peacefully by yourself. You can't bring a partner, you can't bring your children, you can't bring anybody else. The life purpose statement is absolutely personal to you, and you need to be clear-headed and you need to have the time and space to put it together. So the second step is just to take a piece of paper or to take your iPad and write at the top, the purpose of my life is. And then below that, you're just going to fill it with every statement that you think it might be. Now, there's no right or wrong length. You just put down everything that you think is important to you that's part of your purpose in life. So put down each of the statements onto the piece of paper, and then you can get to the point where everything that it might be is there. You can then start to edit it, you can start to whittle down the statements a little bit, you can organize it, you can make sure that you're not missing anything. And the final step is to sit with it over the next sort of 2 to 3 weeks. So every few days, just come back, have a little look at what you've written, see if you can shorten it, see if there's anything missing, and just make sure that you really feel that that actually encapsulates everything that needs to be in that statement. The thing about writing it down is that you're not actually creating anything new. All you're doing is putting on a piece of paper something that you already knew subconsciously. But the process of actually articulating it and having it written means that it's there whenever you need it in the future to make a big life decision. It's well worth taking this time to do this because it will stand you in a really good stead whenever you're under pressure and you're trying to make a choice about where you want to go next in your life. And I refer to my life purpose statement maybe every few months when something big happens, and I just look and I go, well, am I living true to this? So the way I can get a bit closer to it. Okay, so this really fits, or maybe this doesn't fit quite as much. So I do encourage you to take the time to write a life purpose statement. It's well worth doing. And if you've got them, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.